Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be installing governor springs. So you'll notice on your stock truck that your truck only revs to about 2,800 RPMs. Governor springs are the things that limit that ability to rev any higher. What we're doing today is we're going to install some 4K governor springs or 4,000 RPM springs. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is remove the battery cables. We've already done it. Next, we're going to remove the air horn. Sometimes these air horns can be a little sticky to the boot. A little pick is really useful for getting them off. Because of the awkwardness of where the injection pump is located, we're going to move to the bench. Here you can see everything that we've got going on. First, we're going to take off the shutdown solenoid, which requires two 8mm bolts and this one little pin. Next, we're going to loosen this bolt because we're going to remove this arm. One of the things you want to be careful of when removing this, there's a keyway in here that's really, really tiny that can fall out really easy, so be very careful. And here's our little keyway. Next, we're going to cut this wire. Behind this plug is where your governor springs are located. It's a 22mm socket to remove them. Here we got lucky. The governor spring was already in the upright position. So this is what we're going to remove. So you can do that with a conventional screwdriver. So you're going to see, as soon as it starts to get really loose, I'm going to use a magnet to take it the rest of the way out, because the last thing I want to do is have that fall out into the pump. Then we're going to use the same magnet to remove this top cap and all the springs. One of the things you want to be careful of when we're doing this is there's going to be some shims that want to come out behind this. You don't want those shims to fall down into the pump. In this case, this pump didn't have any, oh no, there's the shims. We got lucky, they just stayed on the cap. Now that we've got the old springs out, we're ready to install the new springs. The best way to install these springs is all in one bunch. Then we're going to reinstall the factory keeper and lock. When tightening this down, you're going to want to go 1 click, 2, and 3 clicks in. And that will properly seat the spring in place with enough tension that you don't have to worry about it backing off. In the truck, you're then going to rotate the engine over until you see another set of springs appear in this window. Then you're going to repeat this whole process over again and then put it back together. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions or concerns, give us a call and subscribe. See you next time.